Cancer, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Cancer. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. For Cancer, please, ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Cancer? Merong new chapter. I am trying to move on. Yeah. Soul tie. I always feel connected to you. Is this you, Cancer, or this is the person that you are dealing with? Okay. For some of you, you are dealing with an ex. Okay. May nararamdaman pa rin siya sa inyo kahit naka-move on ka na. Hindi ka niya makakalimutan. Secrets. I haven't told you everything. Okay. Gossip. I am afraid of what other people will think. Okay. So may issue about hidden information. Okay. For some of you, something is wrong with your ex. Okay, tinatago niya dahil nahiya siyang ma-judge ng ibang tao. Okay, kung ano yung iisipin nila sa kanya. Okay, so siguro hindi mo pa lubos kilala ang inyong ex. Okay, and yun yung naging cause ng problem or yun yung issue. Okay. But despite of that, kahit malayo kayo or wala na kayo, nararamdaman ka pa rin niya or ikaw. Okay? Let's see ano yung messages from the tarot for Cancer, please. Cancer. Okay. Okay, there's nothing to worry, Cancer, or this is the message for your person, the person that you are dealing with. Okay, in love sa inyo yung taong ito, Cancer. Mahal ka ng person mo. Okay. The only challenge is you feel na parang kulang ng aksyon. Pero nag-iisip yung person ninyo. Lagi kanyang iniisip, nag-iisip din siya ng paraan, how to approach you. And there you are, you're confused kung ano yung nararamdaman mo or kung ano yung nararamdaman ng person mo sa inyo. Okay. Pero merong pag-uusap na mangyayari. Someone will express his or her feelings. Okay? May ikakasaya sa sitwasyon. Cancer, maybe you like this person also. You're thinking about the future together. Parang naisip mo na, nag-i-imagine ka na. But the problem or the challenge is that parang hindi pa ma-express ng person mo kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman niya. Okay? Merong blockages. Maybe your person is not that confident. Okay? Gusto kanyang nyayain pero nag-worry siya. Maybe, gusto kanyang i-date, gusto kanyang ilabas. Pero he or she is not sure about sa finances niya. Okay? Okay? And nag-worry siya about that. Pero really, gusto niya na maging kayo, Cancer. And merong expression of feelings kung ano yung mararamdaman nyo or niya sa inyo. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano itong Knight of Cups? Baliktad. So, yung person nyo, parang hindi niya alam kung pupunta siya sa inyo or hindi. Pero, gusto ka niya, mahal ka niya. Okay? May feeling siya. Gusto niya mag-take ng action. Okay? Okay? Gusto niya gumawa ng action. Gusto niyang lumapit, gusto niyang pumunta sa inyo, Cancer. Ikaw ang nagpapasaya sa kanya, okay? Pag hindi ka niya kasama or pag hindi ka niya nakita, parang hindi siya satisfied. Okay? Hindi siya masaya. Yes. So, he will move forward. Okay? He will go to you. He will come to you, Cancer. Okay. Yes. Lalabanan niya ang kanyang fears. Magkakaroon siya ng courage to move forward, papunta sa inyo. Okay? Gusto ka talaga ng taong ito, Cancer. Okay? May mga plans siya. Nag-iisip siya. Madami siyang, kumbaga, hindi naman sa nag-worry, kundi nag-iisip siya kung ano yung tamang approach papunta sa inyo. Gusto niya na maging masaya ka, okay? Gusto kanyang yayain, lumabas. Siguro nag-iisip siya saan kanya pwedeng dalhin para maging masaya ka. For some of you, merong proposal, okay? Gusto niya na ikasal kayo. Okay? Gusto niya ng marriage with you, Cancer. He has a lot of plans para sa inyong dalawa. Nag-iisip siya how to go about it. Okay, nagpaplano na siya, nag-iisip na siya kung paano. And you also, nag-iisip ka na rin ng future ninyo. Okay? Thinking about moving in together. Merong kasiyahan na mangyayari. Wow. Second cross, yes. You are excited about this, Cancer, okay? Masaya ka with your person. You are looking forward. Nararamdaman mo na rin na magpo-propose siya sa inyo. You have the feeling. And kung mangyari yon, you will be very, very happy. Cancer. Parang nag-imagine ka na, no? Nagpa-plan ka na rin about moving in together in the future. Magsasama kayong dalawa. You really feel good about this. Okay? Yeah. Yes. So, nag-iisip kayo or nag-iisip yung person nyo ng mga ways, creative ways, how to do the proposal, okay? Kung if this is the case na merong proposal na mangyayari, okay? For some of you, nasa dating stage, okay? Yeah, naghahanap ng paraan or nagthink, nagpaplano yung person ninyo how to be creative. Kung mag-i-invite siya sa'yo going out. Okay? Yes. But, gusto niya kahit papano magiging masaya ka. Kung ano man yung plans niya. Okay? Kung saan kayo pupunta. Nag-iisip siya ng mga paraan. Just to make you feel good and happy and excited. Okay? Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. Yes. So, definitely, mapapag-usapan nyo about moving in together. Nagpaplano na kayo kung ano yung mga gagawin. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-iisip na rin or nagpaplano kayo about yung location. Okay? About home, yung mga kailangan. Okay? Yes. Budget is concerned at the same time. Thinking about gifts. Yeah. Okay. Knight of Cups. Yeah. Love is in the air. Okay. Double confirmation. Merong proposal na mangyayari. Okay. Someone is in love. Wants to be with you. Gusto kang pakasalan. Cancer. Nag-iisip na siya kung ano yung mga gagawin. How to go about this. Maybe nag-iisip na rin siya ng mga suppliers. How to communicate with people na makakatulong sa kanya. Mga friends. He or she wants it to be not really luxurious but mapapasaya ka. Okay? Gusto niyang masaya ka sa mga plans niya for you. Okay? Ayan. You will be emotionally fulfilled and happy. Both of you. Merong kasiyahan na mangyayari. Okay? Yes. Your person is really thinking too much. Stress ba siya? Minsan hindi na siya nakakatulog. Nag-look forward na siya about sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Someone is going to propose to you, Cancer. Okay. Merong pag-uusap. For some of you, you will be receiving gifts from your person. Okay. Maybe a ring. Because he's going to propose to you, Cancer. Okay. Magkakaroon ng decision at the end about sa inyong dalawa. Okay. Siguro mag-uusap kayo about moving in together after the proposal. New exciting things will happen sa relationship ninyo. Your person, para sa kanya, ikaw na yung the one na kanyang pakakasalan. Okay? And you feel very happy about this, Cancer. It's like a wish come true. Not only for you, but to your person. Okay? Planning is needed. Of course, may mga challenges along the way. Pero mapapag-usapan yan. If there will be a concern about the resources or the finances. Okay? Yeah. Your person wants to give you a better life. Cancer. Gusto niya i-provide kung ano yung kailangan mo or pangangailangan mo. Okay? He or she wants to be a provider sa relationship. Okay? Marami siyang plans. Very creative din yung person ninyo, Cancer. Okay? Merong growth sa inyong relationship and expansion. Yeah, merong pag-uusap about family, future family, babies, home, a house, okay? Gifts, mga gamit. Yeah. There is an invitation for you, okay? From this person na ikakatuwa mo, ikakasaya mo. Let's see. Ano pa yung messages for Cancer? Yeah. Napupuyat na siya about making plans, your person, Cancer. Tingnan natin. Maybe you're dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Or a water sign. Scorpio. Water sign is Scorpio, Pisces, and Cancer. Any more message, please, for Cancer? Twin flames. Your passion ignites. Wow. So you're dealing with a twin flame. With your twin flame. Passion, a magnetic and seductive quality surrounds you at present. Enjoy it. Love is in the air. I'm happy for you, Cancer. Nice reading so far about love and romance for Cancer. A message for you. I'm thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. Alright. Love is in the air. Okay. So, Cancer, good luck. All the best para sa inyo. Ito yung mga messages for you. And thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!